this channel. Today I have done this video to share a latest update about BSc Nursing admission process. So recently we received a notification about AP/EAP set for the professional courses like engineering, agriculture and pharmacy. But now they have also included BSc Nursing course also. So we have to apply AP/EAP set to get an admission into BSc Nursing admission. So what is this BSc Nursing course? This is a 4 years course, and this AP/EAP set was conducted by JNTU Anantapuram on behalf of APSCHE, that is Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education. So what is the application process? Next we'll discuss. So that is, they have given online application process. That is, first they have given a registration fee. For general category they have to pay 600 rupees and SC/ST 500 rupees, whereas for BC 550. So the last date for submission is April 15, 2023, and they have given a late fee charges if you want to apply after April 15th. So that is, before 30th it will be 500 rupees charge, and for May 5th 1000 rupees charges, and up to 12th May 5000 rupees charges, and by May 14th 10,000 is charged. So these are the late fee charges for late submission of BSc Nursing admission process. So next, what is the mode of payment? The mode of payment is online. So either you can go for net banking, you can use any NEFT or credit card or debit card, etc. So after paying this online payment, next page is fill the form. Here you have to fill the basic details like your hall ticket number of 10th standard, intermediate, and next about your other details like income certificate, caste certificate details, and ration card, Aadhaar details, and if you are having any NCC sports quotas, you can enter there. And also there will be an option of selecting the examination center. So you have to select 3 centers. So as per the availability, the seats will be allocated to the candidate. So this is the fill the form details. So after filling all the details, you have to submit the data. So after submitting, you'll receive a registration number along with all the filled online application details. So once you receive this registration number and fill the data, you have to take this printout. So in this printout, there will be a column of pasting the photo. So you have to paste a recent color photo. So after this pasting this color photo, you have to do the attestation over the photo. So this attestation can be done by either principal of the college, that is +2 intermediate, or you can go for any gazetted officer's attestation. So this you have to be done, and this attested copy you have to keep it safely. This attested copy you have to submit in the examination time to the invigilator. So what is the criteria next? Who can appear for this AP/EAP set? So the criteria is they should get in the science subject minimum 45% marks in physics, chemistry, biology, and English individually pass. And in case of SC/ST BC, there is a minimum 40% marks in physics, chemistry, biology, and English pass is recommended. So this is the criteria to apply for AP/EAP set. And the next thing is, already the dates were scheduled for the examination, that is on May 22nd and May 23rd, and each day there will be 2 sessions. Morning session, that is 9 AM to 12 PM, afternoon session 3 PM to 6 PM. So again on 23rd, 9 AM to 12 PM, 3 PM to 6 PM. So overall 4 sessions were planned to conduct this APAP set examination.